Hello and welcome. My name is Jasmine and this is a video for the Canva Made Easy for Travel Agents community. This is a request that I actually get often in the Facebook community, and that is how to create a simple QR code and downloading and just some general tips. So this is a short video on how to do just that. And while we are here, can you please like and subscribe to my channel? It helps me out a great deal. Now, let's hop over to Canva. So the template that I'm going to be using as my example today is actually part of my Modern Memories branding collection. So this is a collection that I have designed specifically for travel agents, and it is a cohesive brand that you can basically purchase. So a lot of people ask me for custom brand work or to create templates on their behalf, and unfortunately, while I don't offer this service, I do have these template bundles. So within the particular Modern Memories collection, there is 3 email signatures, there's Instagram posts with highlight covers, there's Pinterest posts, business cards, quote templates, marketing flyers, lead magnets. So there's a whole bunch of things in there, and it is all in this beautiful, modern, simple aesthetic that really oozes luxury. So as I said, I will put the link in the description to that below. Now, once we have our design in Canva that we want to put a QR code on or in, what we do is we want to generate a QR code. So Canva, within the Canva apps, they actually have a Canva QR code which will do this process for you. So the way that we access that is we want to come over to our side navigation, and we want to come down to, it's about 3/4 of the way down to Canva apps. So we want to click on the apps, and then we want to come up to the search bar, and we want to type in QR code generator, because we're wanting Canva to create a QR code for us. So the one that I actually like to use is this second one, which is just a simple QR code. So if we click on this, this one is actually the one designed by Canva. So how we go about creating our QR code is we pop in our URL. So I'm just going to use my website, travelagentchallenge.com. And then all that I'm going to do is I can hit generate code. So this is the most simple, straightforward way. And then as you can see is that Canva has already generated the QR code for me. So in this particular example, I'm just going to move this out of the way. I'm just going to delete out this example QR code. That one's just like a test filler one. Then I pop the QR code in, and I'm just going to resize it so that it fits nicely in that space. So that is the QR code done. It's really as simple as that. So from here, I do recommend testing your QR code before you go any further. And the way that we do that is we want to download it as a PDF and then test it. So to download as a PDF, we're going to come up the top corner and we're going to click our share button. We're going to click download. And then we're going to change this to PDF. And because that this is 2 pages, I'm just going to select one. We only need the 1 page. I'm going to hit download. And then from here, what it's going to do is it's going to obviously download onto my computer. And then from here, a way to test it is to go into your downloads on your computer, open up that PDF and actually get your phone and scan that QR code on your phone to make sure that it works. So that's it. Really easy, really simple, nice, quick, short, sharp tutorial on how to do that. But as I said, I will put the link in the description to the Facebook community and also to the Modern Memories branding collection if you wanted to check those out. But otherwise, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.